Hello friends, today I will be trying my hand at making homemade pizza base. The thing I will be doing is I will be saving 1 cup of maida or all-purpose flour. Now I shall cook it in between and I shall add some curd in the center. It's about half cup of curd. One teaspoon of baking powder. Of baking soda. Add a teaspoonful of powdered sugar. All this right on top of the curd. Adding salt to taste. You can see the bubbling, the reaction of the soda happening with the curd. This is what has to happen. Now you will be kneading this dough softly with your hands. Very softly mix it with curd and all the rest of the ingredients. We will be kneading this dough with milk. Add little milk and knead a very soft dough. This is how the dough looks like initially. You have to keep doing this process with the dough for at least 7 to 8 minutes for your base to be really nice, soft and fluffy. Now after 5 to 7 minutes of kneading, I added 1 teaspoon of oil so that I can gather the dough into a proper ball. After gathering, we will keep it covered with a wet moist cloth for about half an hour. Applying the oil, keep the dough in a bowl like this aside, cover it with a wet cloth and keep it aside for 1 hour for proving. Now after 1 hour, we will see how much the dough has risen. Wow, can you see? See, the dough has risen quite a bit. Now I will take it again in the vessel and knead it for a while and make small balls out of it. So here I will just take this dough, add a little oil to it and make some small balls out of it. See, here I have added some oil and knead it a little well like this, and I have greased a plate on which I will be making the pizza base. Today we are making the pizza base in a homemade setup where I have already kept the kadai for preheating and covered it with a lid. Another one I have also shown you in a big vessel which is again covered with a lid. See, I have spread it out on this plate with my hands itself, and with help of a fork I have made few impressions on it so that it does not rise while baking. Place a ring like this inside the kadai that you have kept to give it a height while baking. So we will be making 2 bases today. One which we will do without topping first, just to show you that we can make the pizza bread and then later on add the toppings. This one I will be making with the toppings. One I will put here and another one in this setup. I am not adding any salt or anything at all. It's just the ring that I have kept to give it a rise, at least 1 inch of thickness. Now I have placed the pizza base and I will keep it on a medium flame for about 15 minutes. Please check it after 12 minutes. If it's too thin, it might cook earlier than 15 minutes. So on this base I have added the toppings whichever I had at home, and now I will place it to bake inside this for about 12 to 15 minutes on a medium flame. Now after 15 minutes I will be checking whether our pizza is done or not. Wow, look at this, it's done extremely well. We'll be taking this pizza out and using a pizza cutter to cut it. So after 12 minutes this pizza base, which was plain, is done. You can see it's very well baked, as well as here it's well baked. And this pizza with the toppings is also done after 15 minutes. And our pizza is ready to eat.